Hare Krishna guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me Muskan and I hope that you all are doing well. You know what? You don't need 20 pants to slay your look. You just need a basic pants through which you can make so many your outfits and you can slay everywhere. Because sometimes having so many pants collection makes so confusing कि कौन सा outfit के साथ कौन सा pants जाएगा. But having few basic pants through which you can make and create so many outfits is so easy and less time consuming because obviously जो office and college going girlies it feels morning में बहुत ज़्यादा rush होता है, जल्दी निकलना है. So this video is for all those college and office going girlies कि they were like struggling which pant goes on what. So I am here with this video. I will share you few basic pants and may help and also tell you कि how you can make few outfits with that. Outfit number 1, black pants. That is like a basic pant जो हर wardrobes में होता है. जैसे कि for office going girlies they can wear that black pants with like white shirt. It looks so good. Or maybe you can wear that black pant with a hot pink color shirt. It looks that also great. I will share you few pictures over there so you can check it out. And for the college going girlies you can just wear that black pant with the black top with white shirt. It looks so good. Or also you can wear this with create such kind of outfits which I am showing over here, so you can try this out also. Second outfit that you can do is like brown pants. Is like brown pants are literally slaying everywhere. Everyone have a brown pants in their wardrobe, so you can make this outfit like having brown pants with a white shirt or a black shirt. It looks so good, like so hot girly type feel aata hai. And this with the gold jewelry, it is like fire. Literally for a gives like a boss lady wali vibes aati hai. Pair this with a golden jewelries, brown pants and shirt, full boss lady wali vibes aati hai bhai. And for the second outfit, like for college going girlies, you can follow this outfit to create your college outfit. It looks very nice. So third outfit is like blue wide leg jeans. Like I love wide leg jeans because it feels so comfortable, especially in summers. It's best thing. एंड आई डोंट नो वाई ब्लू और वाइट का ना पक्का कोई किसी जन्म में रिश्ता होगा कि जब भी पहनो ना इट लुक्स लाइक वाओ, ये यूनिवर्सल कलर यू वोर इट टुगेदर, इट लुक्स सो गुड. You know, you can see this outfit. I pair this with like a full white shirt and I'm wearing it. Still I shooting with the same outfit. It looks so pretty. Like I love this outfit and it's like a perfect for a college going girlies. And if you want to wear this like in office, still it looks so good if you are going for a office going girlies. And for like those who don't want to pair like this, they can just wear this with like sky blue shirt with this or like a white shirt. It's great. And maybe if you want like more boss lady kind of vibes, then pair this with the black tank top and with a blazer. It looks so good. So that is it for the like third outfit. So the last outfit of the day is like this वाइड लेग जीन्स. लाइक मेरे साथ यस आई गेस सबके साथ होता होगा कि जब भी कुछ वाइट पहनते हैं तो डेफिनेटली उस कपड़े पे गिरना तो मैंडेटरी ही है. बट आई सेव दिस जीन्स, thank god. And look at this look I created. I pair this with like a blue shirt with white tank top and white jeans. Looks so good. And just need to add my white shoes. It perfect for the college going girlies and those who want to pair it in like a office, and they can also do it like a cute girl with a like colorful vibes type deka. If you want to wear this like in office going for a like office wear, then you can definitely pair this with like white shoes. It looks perfect and like fully colorful vibes taker, so it will be great. And also if you want to pair this like a different way, then you can see few pictures I've printed over here. So yes, I hope that you like this series of like sharing that pants that you must have in your wardrobes for office and college going girlies. If you want me to make for a top and jewelries, then comment down below. I will definitely make it for you. And I hope that you really like the pants ideas that I've shared with you. So if you do, then please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And also guys, follow Karlo for more fun in your life on my Instagram. You can see my Instagram handle over here, so please go check it right now and follow me over there. I will definitely come every day to entertain you. So yes, bye bye, let's do it, and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.